guys? Starting on project E36. I've already taken off the plastic covers that go over here. Getting everything taken out of here so I can take the head off. You got it, Lucas? Yep. Pull it through. Let it go through the top first. Yeah. Here's up top. Got it? Yep. Alright, you can get out. So, you got it? I don't have anywhere. Hi guys, so we're gonna edit this somewhere into the E36 update, but we found this really cool aftermarket part in my speaker. Oh, and we just broke some plastic.
Not the first plastic we broke.
It won't be the last, so...
Look at this position.
Howdy! So, we're still trying to source the rancid smell back here, and the light died. We found our homie. The mama.
Ugh. Ugh. Just that one?
What do you mean just that one? That's not enough for you?
Yeah, I want more than that. So stop turning. I'm trying to get
I'm trying to get the good light. You keep putting in the shadow.
I'm trying to see it from this.
You're putting a shadow on it.
Stop this. I'm gonna hit you. Turn that thing around.
But throw this right at you. My head is finally back from the machine shop. It looks really good. It's clean. I'm ready to put it back on. So I've been cleaning the block out. It doesn't look the cleanest, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. There she is. So we're gonna put that guy on there. We have my head gasket right here ready, and then every other gasket also ready right there. So we're gonna try and get the ball rolling on that today.
You gonna get the studs in?
Yeah, we got the studs. Oh yeah, let me show you these studs. The studs.
Tell them the process that you're gonna be going.
All right, here. So, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to like get the head and head gasket on there, and then put the head studs on, because if I do the studs, I don't know if I'll be able to fit this block, which is pretty tall, over the studs and onto the studs with this pain in the arse clearance. I might get out the tape measure and see if it's possible, because it looks like it might just work.
I just put it on.
Or we just put it on. We'll see. I replaced the heater core.
Oh yeah, show the interior.
If you get inside, the interior is still halfway ripped apart, but oh, that hurt. Yeah,
Mostly back together.
Mostly back together. So this was all gone at one point. Don't touch that.
That's the only problem I want to show him. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, there's already a diffuser and a wing on the
I
back.
feel like we've talked about that.
Yeah, we have, but I'm saying as you already seen.
Yeah.
You got the M series bumper.
Looks clean. Tinted fog lights.
Yeah, they're in there already. Nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
We started kind of tinkering with some of the rust on these panels, and it doesn't look like fun.
Yeah.
If you guys have any tips on what to do there, let us know.
Yeah, speak up a little bit.
If you have any tips, let us know. Hello.
He found a magnet.
We found a magnet finally.
Yeah.
It's it hasn't.
We found a magnet.
It moves like this way a little bit, and this. Ow! It hurts.
Jacob loves
But it moves.
He's
so.
super happy about
The
this.
magnet hurts.
Are you?
Get this on
Oh, let's
camera.
watch it.
Get this on camera. Oh, boom! Got it.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, I got that washer on.
Nice, huge. That one's hard.
See, I told you to use the pick.
Yeah, Alec was right.
Wherever the hell the
How are you doing, buddy?
slotted screwdriver is.
Oh, bless you.
Here's my head.
Looks like you got all the studs in.
All the studs are in. I'm getting the washers now.
Good work. All right, Mr. Washer guy over here is doing the job.
This one's stuck though.
You remember how I did it from underneath?
Yeah, that would have been a good way to do it, huh?
Yeah.
How do I get this? Oh.
Oh, nice. There you go. Go ahead and put it on that one.
So, it's uppy day. update you guys on the E36 head. I have all the studs in, and then I have the washer and nut on this one and this one. So now I just need to get the washers on the rest of the studs, and then add the grease on the little nut. Get them all down, except for the one that was a little messed up. So, but yeah, head's almost in. I'm gonna get this washer on this stud through this little hole.
Yeah.
So
I'm watching.
If
From underneath there's a slot. Tell me oh, that was easy.
Well, that was way easier. Okay.
No, that's how you do it. Come back next week.
That's probably a cool video though.
Yeah. The last one was so it's bumping.